It's not going to be pushed over.
That'd be as easy as the pond. Hopefully the top half of that tree doesn't snap off. T-Bone, don't give yourself a heart attack.
All right. So that was the first effort. How'd it go?
Just loosen her up.
All right. So did you get permission to do this?
No.
Pee-wee, for legal purposes, is this all right?
I can't see what they're doing.
All right.
Is that a case for your iPhone? It's pretty tight.
All right. What do we got here? A little cheating here. A little shoveling. All right. Just loosening. Now, are you going to transplant this back at your house then, or what's the plan? You're going to need one of those red bandanas to put it in the back of the Saturn.
We're going to have a hell of a hole.
It'll fill in.
Go in there and get some.
So how many trees have you put down before?
This will be my 5th by hand.
Man. So you're like the tree hunter?
Yep. The tree whisperer.
You looking for your own show on Discovery Channel?
Wouldn't hurt. Discovery Channel. Hand loggers.
Hand loggers. Chainsaws are for bitches. Is there a fee associated with this tree removal? Sounds like rock.
Sounds like that trouble run.
And now the tree's kicking hard. Oh.
I'm pretty. This is how the settlers did it, right?
I believe so.
All right, let me get back here a little bit so I get the full effect of this.
We're guessing, what do you think, Pee-wee, about as long as we get... Oh, yeah, it's going to come pretty close to us. Here she comes.
Next one! Oh, timber!
Ah, tree down! What do you think?
Got it!
Let's check out these roots.
Now get the saw out and cut it all up.
In your... All right. Any words for anybody out there?
Don't try this at home. Do it at the